This is the elevator at Dillard's Kids and Home at Hamilton Place in Chattanooga, Tennessee. There's a store directory. And this is, I believe, a modded Montgomery elevator. There's another store directory. There's the indicator. And look at the shaft. Go up to 2. There's the indicator in this one. Let's look out the window. Wow. Wow. It's a nice atrium itself. We're at 2. Got on a 1. Let's look at the atrium one more time. Wow. And these are the escalators. This is a really, really nice elevator, especially since it's glass. We're at 1. Take it up one more time. No smoking. Phone, capacity 2,500 pounds. Watch this. Wow, this is a nice atrium. Alright, it's a really nice elevator and a nice store itself. Here we are, 1, and that's it.